Hi, this is DJ Banovitz, Colorado personal injury and accident trial lawyer practicing in Denver, Colorado. And today I want to talk with you about an interesting case I just had. Now, this case came to me by referral of another lawyer. And the case was referred to me because the insurance company didn't want to pay what was fair for that individual. In this particular case, it involved a backseat passenger in a car that sustained serious and permanent injuries to his shoulder. Now, the insurance company didn't believe the nature and extent of this young man's injuries and weren't willing to pay fair value, so we filed a lawsuit. And what happened in the lawsuit is, even though we were able to demonstrate with this young man's doctors that all his injuries were related to the lawsuit and that his medical bills were reasonable and related to the auto accident, the insurance company still refused to pay. So what happened? We went to trial. And what was the result of that case? Well, the result of that case was the jury verdict disagreed with the insurance company's position and sided with the young man I was representing and came back with a jury verdict that was more than 6 times the amount the insurance company was offering. Why am I telling you this? Because it's important to have a personal injury trial lawyer representing you in your case rather than a settlement lawyer. It's a misconception that all lawyers go to trial. In order to get the maximum value for your case, you need to have a lawyer that is ready, willing, and able to go to trial and do what it takes to get the maximum value for your case. Now, if you're watching this because you've been involved in an accident, you need to pick up the phone and call me, DJ Banovitz, at 303-300-5060, or email me, dj@coloradoinjuryfirm.com, because I represent people and handle these types of cases every day, and I have the honest answers to your questions. Thanks for watching.